Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a cool site called Fancy Hands, and it gives you access to virtual assistants for an extremely affordable price. So if you currently find yourself as an Etsy seller with a pile of to-do lists every single month, then this video is for you because this site will help you free up all that time that you consume doing little things every single day and give you more time to do the things that you actually love, which is creating more products and coming up with new ideas for your Etsy business. So make sure that you watch all the way to the end so you can learn more. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So many of us are solo entrepreneurs and we wear many hats. Not only are we running our Etsy business, we handle everything from social media to responding to messages, to responding to emails, and everyday Etsy tasks. And by the time that we're finished with those things, and we have a family and maybe Etsy is your side hustle, you really don't have time to be creative and sit down and come up with new ideas or do research or create a new robust line that maybe you have been thinking about doing, right? We don't have the necessary time. So the best way to scale your Etsy business is by freeing some of your time. And that's by hiring a virtual assistant person that will do majority of your work so you could be in the creative side of your business. So keep in mind that I wanted to share with you guys this amazing website. It's called fancyhands.com. I will leave the link below if you guys want to click on it and learn more. They actually provide you also a team of US-based assistants, and they can do any type of work around the clock. And like I said, leaving you more time to be creative and do the things that you really don't have the time to do so. Or when you do it, you're kind of like trying to hurry up. So having more time to create like more products or ship orders, do research, it's going to really help you grow your business and scale it to the next level. So their prices are very cheap. You could start as low as $29.99 per month or $5 per request. I recommend at least checking them out, seeing if this is something that will work for your budget and work for you. Keep in mind that in order to make money, you have to spend money. In order to grow a business, you do have to have a certain amount of tools and resources that you use and that you sometimes have to pay in order to grow your business. This is one of those that are really helpful because these people are going to give you more time for your business. So keep that in mind. This is going to give you more time for your business. If you have more time for your business, you're able to add more products, you're able to create new products, and you're able to grow and make more money. So just keep that in mind before you say, I don't want to look at it, or there's a cost, so I don't want to check it out. So I hope that this video helps you with learning a new tool that could potentially help you increase your Etsy sales. Let me know in the comment section if you have any other websites that you currently use for virtual assistants that you recommend other Etsy sellers to use, or leave a comment below if you have any additional questions about their services. Thank you guys for watching and have a terrific day.